Speedy cars. To perform this activity, it would be useful if you had the view timing ramp set. The ramp is custom made for time and speed work. It is a support with a wooden track that can be altered to give the slope steeper or shallower angles. The ramp is fitted with magnetic proximity switches, which detect the magnet that is fitted to the base of the car as it travels down the ramp. In this activity, the slope stays at the same angle. The change will be to see how the car responds to the amount of push it gets. It's a simple relationship between the amount of force and the amount of speed. When recording time, shorter bars means faster journeys. It takes less time to go a distance, so the time bar gets smaller as the car gets faster. The learning experiences covered in this activity are time as a measure of speed, the connection between speed, distance and timing, quantity, collecting data and drawing tables of data, making comparisons, normal values. Set up the bare wood track positioned at the lowest angle. Connect the magnetic switches fitted to the track to view. The switch at the top must plug into input A and the one further down into input B. Check and make sure that the magnet is secured to the bottom of the car. Connect view to the computer. Open the EasySense software and select timing. Select time, then from A to B. Click on Start. Position the car at the top of the ramp and give it a gentle push down the slope. Look at the time. Repeat this using a slightly firmer push. Compare the results. Repeat this using a firmer push each time. You can introduce a lot of thinking about with this activity. For instance, how do we know how much push we used each time? How do we make it a fair test? If we hadn't got timing switches and the data logger, how else could we measure the speed of the car?